Moya, Arabic for water. It is one Monday evening. Me and my friend dropped by Napakala and heard someone shouting, Moya, Moya. Without hesitation, we stopped and found out one old man lying on the floor, asking for water. It was very painful.
Yan sa Drake. Oh. Moya, moya, moya. Okay?
Ang buhay nga naman ng tao, mahiwaga, mapagbiro. Subalit tayo pa rin ang gumagawa ng ating tadhana. Daming ulang makain, palaboy-laboy, ganun pa man. Oo, hindi natin sila responsibilidad. Pero itanong mo sa sarili mo, paano kung ako yun?